The water is special because it nourishes us. To be able to feed our people, feed our guests, and to look after for our next generation. When we're building something, we have to be mindful of everything, seeing the cause and effect to everything. We call it Hupacasath, meaning everything's connected.
Connecting people and places is at the heart of what we do at Google. We don't just want to organize the world's information, but we need to make it universally accessible, which means we need to connect everyone on the planet. Google is working with a large number of infrastructure providers to build the first cable connecting Canada to Japan.
If you think about it in terms of the growth of the internet over the years, like the growth is exponential and it keeps growing and it keeps expanding. We need to keep adding capacity to it. And Project Topaz Cable is, it's the cutting edge, the latest and greatest, and it's really a big deal. And I'm happy to be a part of it.
Since 2010, we've spent over $2 billion improving the infrastructure of Asia Pacific. We've constructed interconnect hubs in over 15 cities in Asia Pacific across 9 economies. Additionally, we've deployed Google Global Cache in over 278 cities in Asia Pacific. With bandwidth demand doubling every 2 years, continued economic investment is critical to meeting the growing demand of businesses.
Zebra provides visibility and mobility solutions that powers our customers' operational workflows on a daily basis. Any service interruption can impact our bottom line. We rely on Google to provide that underlying resiliency in the network and have Zebra focus on the application, data science, and data analytics layers that allows us to deliver the best solutions to our customers. For us, subsea cables are just something that we don't worry about, but the role that they play is being able to connect locations and systems across the globe. The idea of ubiquitous connectivity that's always on, always working, always resilient, and super low latency becomes really critical to realizing the future. Google are pulling that future forward faster than ever before.
When they started planning for the line to run through Port Alberni, they reached out to all the First Nations around here right away. Anything that we wanted, it was taken care of. So if any of us had any problems, they'd solve it.
Our people utilized the territory of this valley, hunting, fishing, gathering. Our connection to this place, it's critically important. It's kind of a big part of who we are.
We appreciated that Google consulted with other First Nations and Tseshaht respectively as a cable passes through our territory, the Alberni Valley, the Alberni Inlet, Barkley Sound, and all the way out to the Pacific Ocean. That's how we want to carry ourselves, and that's how we want businesses to carry themselves in our territory.
Hi Dave, how did it go?
Everything went awesome. Thanks again for all the work that you guys did.
Building a submarine network, it's not just about connecting Canada and Japan. It's not just about connecting Google. It's about being a good steward to the ecosystem of global communications.
That's it. Great work, everyone.
Connecting people and places and neighborhoods. It's about connecting the world.